name's Taylor Altum. I'm from Houston, Texas. I won the Cosmo Dubai contest, and I'm here in Miami shooting with Model Launcher. My favorite Model Launcher product used today was definitely the Volume X mascara. It really made my eyes feel very light and like I wasn't wearing a lot of makeup, but it also made my eyes look very dramatic and sharp. So my advice to girls thinking about doing the contest or wanting to be a model, I definitely say go for it and don't let anyone hold you back. Don't let your fears get in your way of your dreams.
Hi, I'm Desislava Petrova. I came in from Houston, Texas. I won the Cosmopolitan contest and I'm here in Miami shooting with Model Launcher. My experience here in Miami has been amazing. Everything's so beautiful. The weather's been perfect, which helped a lot with a photo shoot.